Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 10th class. How are you? Dear students, today the day is Tuesday, 8th December 2020. And I hope so that all of you are good. बेटा आप सब ने अपने साइन कर लिए हैं अपने फॉर्म पे. अगर नहीं किए तो बेटा प्लीज़ आज आके कर लीजिए. और अपनी मैथमेटिक्स की नोटबुक्स भी और कुछ और नोटबुक्स भी आपकी चेक्ड हैं. यू कैन टेक योर नोटबुक्स फ्रॉम योर स्कूल आफ्टर 11 o'clock. Okay, dear students. Okay, dear. Now focus on the topic. Topic of today is again trigonometric identities. Before starting the exercise 7.2, I would like to revise to discuss our previous work, previous trigonometric identities which we have discussed yesterday. There are 3 trigonometric identities in your syllabus. We have discussed in detail also. At this time today I will just revise because this is the introduction of the topic. Our first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, and you know that identity means that the equation which satisfied all the values is known as the identity. Okay, this is the actual identity, and from this identity we can derive two other identities like sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. These are the derived identities from this one. Second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta, and from this we can take tan square theta is equals to secant square theta minus 1. And the third one in your syllabus, 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta, and from this identity we can derive the third one identity, which is cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta. And after that, dear students, we will start our today's work. First of all, mark the syllabus according to the smart syllabus which is given by the government. Today we will solve question number 16, question 20 and 24. These 3 questions will be done as your classwork. First of all, focus on the question number 16. Question number 16 is this: tan theta plus cot theta into cos theta plus sin theta, which is equals to secant theta plus cosecant theta. First of all, write the question carefully on your notebook, and after that, once again, my dear students, we will go to verify the following identities. Verify means first we will take or consider any side, and then we will prove after solution that this side will be equal to that side. Means we will consider right hand side or left hand side as according to the demand of the question. In some questions we can solve from both sides, but in some questions we can solve only one side. So according to this question, we will consider the left hand side, which is equals to tan theta plus cot theta into cos theta plus sin theta. First we will consider this side, and you know that I have told you that we will convert the these trigonometric functions or ratios in the form of the sine by cos. Okay, if they are not given in the sine or cos means which are the actual ratios, then we will convert these one. So tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta, which is inverse of the tan theta, that's why it will become a cos theta by sin theta. Means these two ratios are the inverse of each other. We will write cos theta and sin theta as it is. There is no need to change or to convert it into another ratios. Since there are 2 fractions and there are this addition or this plus sign between these 2 fractions, that's why we will take the LCM. First of all, write sin theta cos theta in the denominator. And now first consider the first fraction. According to this, cos theta and cos theta will be cancelled out, and sin theta will multiply it by the numerator, and we will get sin square theta plus. Actually, we will solve this by using the simple LCM method. Okay. Now sin theta will be cancelled by sin theta, means both denominator, and then we will multiply cos theta by cos theta, and we will get the answer of cos square theta by using just simple LCM method. Okay, and we will write cos theta plus sin theta as it is, and after that You can see that this is the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta, first identity. And I have told you that it is compulsory, it is mandatory for us that whenever we will use any identity, then we will give the reference of the actual identity. So when we will put sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, then this is mandatory that we will give the reference in this form, that sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to 1. Okay, dear students. And after given the reference, then we will put 1 by other values as it is. And since these are the multiplicative, these are the product, there is a product between these two values, so we will write it in the fraction form and get cos theta by plus sin theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Dear students, you can see that this is the denominator of both values. Sin theta and cos theta is the denominator of cos theta and sin theta as well as. So we will write this fraction separately like this: cos theta by cos theta sin theta plus sin theta by sin theta cos theta. Sin theta will be cancelled, cos theta will be cancelled, then we can get 1 by sin theta and 1 by cos theta. And you know that 1 by sin is the reciprocal of the cosecant theta and 1 by cos is the reciprocal of the secant theta. So according to our right hand side, you can observe these two sides as here. This is right hand side is equals to secant theta plus cosecant theta. So we will interchange, we will change the order. But if you if you do not want to change this, then it's okay. Okay, first we will change this and write secant theta plus cosecant theta, and which is equals to the right hand side of the equation, and hence we verified our answer.